Simplify, satisfy, and save with utility lighting from Signify trusted brands, Lumec, Guardco, and Hadco. Simplify your selection process and maintenance with our comprehensive portfolio. Satisfy the needs of your diverse customers with products in a variety of styles, lumen packages, optics, and mountings. Save energy, time, and money on all your projects, from roadways, parks, and city squares to industrial areas. Satisfy customers with Road Focus or Road Star. Tailor your options to seamlessly retrofit existing roadways or enhance new ones. Use High Focus to reliably illuminate your interchanges and save by lowering your total cost of ownership. Use durable tunnel view and tube line luminaires to help make tunnels safer. With 2 sizes and optical distributions, the RSL helps make general lighting applications feel well lit and secure while saving costs. Main View and Town View post tops offer comfort optics and traditional styling, combined with the latest technology and simple installation to satisfy both installers and residents. With 3 sizes, multiple mounting options, and many utility-focused features, Duraform floodlights are designed to simplify your life by meeting your complex requirements. Simplify, satisfy, and save with each of these luminaires. Whether a retrofit or new installation, rest assured the process will be easy and you'll be rewarded with more time and money. And if you want to take your lighting to another level, explore Interact City, connected lighting and management that can truly make your city smarter and more efficient.